Hi everyone, I'm Kishore. My register number is URK24AI1108. The third experiment is about exploratory data analysis. The first code is about load and preview dataset. We start by loading a CSV file into Python using pandas. Then we quickly check the first 5 rows to see the data and get some basic info about columns and types. It's like operating a book to see what inside. The second code is to drop 11 columns. Next, we remove columns that are not useful for our analysis, like currency or location info, to keep the data clean and focus on important parts. The third code is check for duplicate records. We look for any repeated rows in the data, count how many duplicates there are, and then remove them to avoid errors. And the fourth one is to rename column. Here we rename the column headers to simplify our more meaningful names so they are easily to work with and understand later. And the fifth code is deleting missing values. Detect missing values. Sorry, retake. The fifth code is about detecting missing value. We check each column to see if there are any missing or empty values because missing data can affect our analysis. The sixth code is about fill or drop missing values. For missing data, we either remove those rows entry or fill the empty spots with zeros or the average value of that column to keep the dataset complete. The seventh one is about box plot for salary. We create a box plot graph for the salary column to see the distribution like where most salaries lie and if there are any extreme high or low values. The, the seventh one is about box plot for salary. We create a box plot graph for the salary column to see the distribution like where most salaries lie and if there are any extreme high or low values. The eighth one is about central tendency, mean, median, mode. We calculate common statistics, the average salary, the middle salary, and the most frequency occurring salary. This helps summarize the data center. And the ninth one is about variability, standard deviation, variance, range. This step qualifies how spread out the salaries are. How many variation or differences there is from the average salary using matrix like standard deviation and variances. And the 10th code is about IQR and outliner removal. Finally, we use a statistical method called IQR to detect outliners that are unusually high or low salaries and remove the outliner for an cleaner analysis. That's it. Thank you.